In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download Terabox videos without getting the paid subscription. First of all, you need a link that you want to download. Just copy the link and click on the paste button, allow, and it will automatically paste the link. After that, click on the download button and the download will start begin. It will take a while. Here we go. This is the image that belongs to this link. You can download any files, any kind of videos. Just click on the download now button. Here we go. We have downloaded it. Also, there are multiple options also available. You can try Terabox bulk downloader. If you have multiple links and you want to download at once, let me show you. I will keep and click on generate download and it will start one by one. And there's also option Terabox folder downloader and Terabox player online. You can download entire folder as well, and you can play the video as well. Instead of download, you can play free of cost the video. And here you can see one by one all the links are getting download, so you can use that. Here you can play online video, and from there Terabox folder downloader.